Here are some amazing facts about the Magellanic penguin. Scientific name, Spheniscus magellanicus. Named after, the species was named after the explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who first documented them in 1520. Native habitat, found in South America, primarily along the coasts of Argentina, Chile, and the Falkland Islands. Migration, they migrate northward as far as Brazil during the winter. Distinctive bands, Magellanic penguins have two black bands on their white bellies, distinguishing them from other penguin species. Weight, they typically weigh between 5 and 6.5 kilograms 11 to 14 pounds. Height, they stand at about 70 centimeters 27 inches tall. Lifespan, they live around 20 to 25 years in the wild. Nesting, Magellanic penguins dig burrows for nesting, a behavior not seen in all penguin species. Monogamous, they are largely monogamous and usually mate with the same partner year after year. Eggs, females lay 2 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them. Incubation period, incubation lasts about 40 days. Chicks, the chicks are covered in soft gray down feathers and are fed by regurgitation. Creches, when chicks are a bit older, they gather in groups called creches for protection. Parenting, both parents participate equally in caring for the chicks. Predators, their predators include sea lions, giant petrels, and sometimes foxes or pumas on land. Underwater hunters, they are excellent divers and can stay underwater for 2 to 3 minutes while hunting. Diet, their diet consists mainly of small fish, squid, and krill. Swimming speed, Magellanic penguins can swim at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour 24 kilometers h. Dive depth, they can dive as deep as 100 meters 328 feet in search of food. Torpor, they enter a state of torpor deep rest during cold nights to conserve energy. Feather adaptation, their feathers are waterproof, which helps them stay dry and warm in freezing waters. Molting, once a year, they go through a molting period, shedding old feathers and growing new ones. Flightless, like all penguins, Magellanic penguins cannot fly. Social birds, they are very social and often form large colonies during breeding season. Colony size, colonies can number in the hundreds of thousands during breeding season. Communication, they communicate through vocalizations, which can sound like a donkey's bray. Heat regulation, they have pink patches of skin around their eyes, which help regulate their body temperature. Adapted to warm, unlike Antarctic species, Magellanic penguins are adapted to warmer climates. Terrestrial locomotion, on land, they walk with a distinctive waddle. Species vulnerability, Magellanic penguins are classified as near threatened due to oil spills, overfishing, and climate change. Oil spills, thousands of Magellanic penguins have died due to oil pollution off the coast of Argentina. Fishing threats, overfishing of their prey, particularly anchovies, threatens their food supply. Climate change impact, rising ocean temperatures affect their food sources and migration patterns. Sexual dimorphism, males are generally larger than females. Tooth-like structures, they have spiny, tooth-like structures in their mouths to help hold slippery prey. Eyesight, they have excellent underwater vision, allowing them to see clearly in dim lighting conditions. Loud calls, their braying calls help them identify mates and offspring among thousands of penguins. Clutch success, typically, only one chick from a clutch survives due to sibling competition or lack of resources. Parental investment, they devote significant time and energy to raising their chicks until they fledge. Fledging, chicks fledge at around 60 to 70 days old. First year mortality, unfortunately, Many young penguins do not survive their first year due to predation or food scarcity. Migration distance: after the breeding season, they can migrate up to 3,000 miles to find food. Shoreline nests: some colonies build nests close to shore, while others choose areas farther inland. Land speed: though they waddle, they can move surprisingly fast on land if necessary. Swimming efficiency: their bodies are streamlined for swimming, with strong flippers to propel them through water. Diving behavior: they often dive to great depths in rapid succession, known as bounce dives. Thermoregulation: in warm weather, they pant like dogs to stay cool. Protection of nests: they fiercely protect their nests from predators and other penguins. Penguin highways: they create well-worn paths, known as penguin highways, leading from their burrows to the sea. Courtship: males perform a courtship display that involves spraying and flapping their wings.